Hi guys, today's topic high performance microscope. Shall we start? Okay, first learn what is microscope.
Microscope, an optical instrument used for viewing very small objects, such as mineral samples or animal or plant cells, typically magnified several hundred times.
When was invented microscope and who?
Microscope invented in 1590 and inventor Zacharias Janssen.
Explain the parts of microscope.
The parts of microscope: number 1, head; number 2, eyepiece; number 3, arm; number 4, diopter adjustment nosepieces; number 5, objective lenses; number 6, stage clip; number 7, mechanical stage; number 8, illumination; number 9, light switch; number 10, base; number 11, aperture; number 12, stage controls; number 13, coarse adjustment; number 14, brightness adjustment.
Okay, explain the high performance of microscope.
Optical microscopes form a magnified image by using lenses to bend light. Some special purpose optical microscopes used in industry and research are designed for observing particular material, such as living cells. They produce magnifications of up to about 2000. Electron microscopes produce magnifications of as much as 50 million. Although 2 million is more typical, their images are formed by means of electrons focused by magnetic lenses. There are two main types: scanning electron microscopes. SEMS scan electrons back and forth across the surface of a specimen. Transmission electron microscope. TEMS transmit electrons through a thin slice of the specimen. Okay guys, today's topic closed. Next topic, space telescope. You're interested to see that? Is click showing the in-screen video clip. And don't forget to like and subscribe.